Hello and welcome to IFAH. Could you please introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
Sure. I'm Constanza Roeder, and I'm the founder and CEO of Hearts Need Art Creative Support for Patients and Caregivers. And we're working to humanize healthcare through the arts.
Oh, that's amazing. I love that.
Yeah, it's very cool what we get to do. We get to create economic opportunities for artists, musicians, writers in our communities, and then bring them into the hospital to improve the lives of patients and caregivers.
That is so beautiful. I absolutely love that.
Yeah. Well, I do too. That's why I do it. It's the best job. It's such incredible, magical work that we get to do.
Right.
You don't hear that word very much in healthcare, magical, but
Yeah.
it really is incredible to see the transformation that happens when you go into a patient's room and you play them their favorite song when they may not have had a visitor in weeks. And the shift that you see happen in them when they really truly feel seen and heard and loved in a very unique way that they might not expect to experience in a hospital.
So rewarding, I'm sure. Love that. My heart is very happy hearing that.
Well, our hearts need art, so.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. So congratulations on winning your award today. How do you feel about winning, and what are the factors that led you to winning?
Oh my gosh. I was thrilled and excited that, just for the field of arts and health to be recognized as a really important part of healthcare, and so receiving an award as a visionary in healthcare, and to be here with all of these healthcare leaders is really exciting. I'm probably the only artist creative in the room, and it's great to represent that piece of healthcare.
Yes, being an artist. Yeah. So how do you feel about IFA, and how has your experience been so far?
Oh, well, it's been great. Way better. I mean, even better than I expected, being able to meet and hear from people that are on the cutting edge of so many different areas of healthcare, and just to get to swap ideas and even business models and how people are making things work and improving lives for patients and doing it in a sustainable way. It's incredibly valuable, the networking that's happened here. So.
I agree.
Yeah.
Could you please tell us how we can view your business details?
Sure. You can go to heartsneedart.org. You can see all of our programs on there. We now have virtual offerings for patients and caregivers all around the country. We are based in San Antonio for in-person stuff, but now because of COVID, we had to put everything virtual, so now it's on there. You can also check out our podcast, Arts for the Health of It, and that's on all the major podcast platforms, and you can also click the podcast tab on our website.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.